everyone, the word of the day is atrocious. Let's look at the meaning of this word. The meaning of atrocious is extremely wicked, brutal, or cruel. For example, he was tired of eating his cook atrocious meals, so he suggested he take a cooking workshop. Now let's look at some more example sentences. Mary was tired of working in this company because of her boss' atrocious behavior, so she decided to join any other company. The owner forced his people to live in an atrocious environment. After receiving atrocious reviews, she closed her channel. Actress wore an atrocious gown on the red carpet. Due to this, no one admired this fashion. They are atrocious in this society because of their illiteracy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel.